Hello and welcome to our series all about Wix invoices and price quotes. Today we are going to learn how to search, filter, and sort your invoices or price quotes. Let's get started. Let's talk about invoices first. Go to Getting Paid on the left and go to Invoices. To look for a specific invoice, you can use the search bar. You can input the invoice number here or the customer's name to look for it, just like that. To filter your invoices, click on the filter drop down here and filter it according to these categories. And to sort them out, click on a column name, for example, due date, and it will automatically be arranged from newest to oldest or oldest to newest. You can do the same thing for the other column titles here. You can click on customer, and the customer's name should be arranged alphabetically. The same goes for the others. All right, now let's learn how to search, filter, and sort your price quotes this time. So go to Getting Paid, and under it, select Price Quotes. Just like you did with the invoice, you can use the search bar over here to look for a specific invoice. You can use the number, the title, or the customer's name to easily look for it. You can also filter it just like how you did with invoices earlier. So you can filter it according to these categories. And if you want to sort out your price quotes, just like what you did with your invoices, you can then click on the column title and it'll be arranged alphabetically or from lowest to highest or highest to lowest. And that's it. That's how you search, filter, and sort your invoices or price codes on Wix. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.